Give me some money after the show. Hey. Oh, hey guys, didn't see you there. Welcome to another episode of Chef 357. We're doing fan favorite, iCarly spaghetti
tacos! Edition invented by my brother Spencer, whose real name is Letitia McPeanuts. Yeah, no, it's not.
I'm cooking things that people will chew.
And we have a special guest. What's your name again? It doesn't
Matter what your name is!
Little Stormtrooper. You smell that? Do you smell what we're cooking? We got spaghetti tacos today. Phil, how's Stormtrooper going? What's that? Not so good? Why do you guys always miss? You guys notice they always miss when they shoot? Why do you guys miss? You don't miss? Roll the clip. See, I told you, Phil. You guys suck. Anyway, how are you doing today? I got a special sock. Crazy sock. You want to see it? Check out my crazy sock, man. Hey, Phil. I'm not gonna tell him to lay down. Sorry, Phil.
It was an accident.
Didn't mean to give you the sweet chin music there. My bad. What'd you say? You don't like my show? My show sucks? Whoa. I have a friend you can meet. Sacco. But not Spencer Sacco. Mr. Sacco.
He's gonna kick your ass.
We don't like guests like you on the show.
Mr. Sacco!
Okay. Interview's over. We got our crazy socks all set. Phil's knocked out. Time to make those spaghetti tacos. I'll see you guys in the kitchen. Welcome back. We're in the kitchen. Get back. We're doing our spaghetti tacos. First part is our marinara. We have a quarter cup chopped garlic, 2 yellow onions, 6 ounces of tomato paste, whole canned tomatoes, 4 tablespoons of our Italian seasoning, and our fresh basil. Now our basil is grown in-house. It's like farmersonly.com over here. Farmersonly.com. So there's all ingredients for our marinara. We get our nice, beautiful bottle of olive oil to get us started. Now, we're going to get that going. Cue the cooking montage. Welcome back. That was a great montage. That guy, he's pretty good. All right, we got our sauce rolling for our spaghetti tacos. Now on to our meat. We have 2 pounds of ground beef, quarter cup of Parmesan cheese, quarter cup of whole milk, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 full cup of breadcrumbs, some leaves from our farmersonly.com area, 1 yellow onion, 3 garlic. We're gonna get this together and get ready to roll that montage one more time.
Can't stop, you know we'll never give it up. People talk, but we just don't care. In this life, you know you gotta live it up. So everybody put your hands in the air. It's an all-night party that we're getting into. You think it's all over, then the joke is on you. It's a dream, it's a scene, and it's so brand new. If you think you can't stop it, then the joke is on you. It's an all-night party that we're getting into.
Welcome back. Man, that montage is pretty good. Meatballs are done. We're going to throw this in the oven, preheat it at 350. You want to cook it between 15 and 20 minutes our internal temperature of 155 or greater. See you then.
Can't stop, you know we'll never give it up. People talk, but we just don't care. In this life, you know you gotta live it up. So everybody put your hands in the air. It's an all-night party that we're getting into.
Everything's all ready for our spaghetti tacos. We're going to assemble. Carbs on carbs. Sorry, guys. Here's our spaghetti tacos, iCarly fan favorite. Put a little dusting of Parmesan cheese on top. And if you want to beef this up, you can put this on a stick like my friend here. Alright, let's see what this is all about. Our first ever spaghetti taco. Oh, hot. That was really good. iCarly special here. So, thank you for watching. And if you have a fan favorite that you would like us to try, shoot in the comments and we'll see what we can do. Once again, this is Chef 357. Appreciate you guys coming out and watching us. Once again, bang bang.